Find or read reviews that people are talking of Tegatok portable cordless pressure washer with 2 batteries, fast charger, and 180 degrees adjustable nozzle, battery-powered pressure washer. Are recommended that you do not buy, unless you have read and studied this product, until you are sure that quality are acceptable, and you really want to buy. And don't forget press to subscribe, click bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Why you choose Tegatok portable cordless pressure washer with 2 batteries. Below are some reasons why you should choose. Tegatok portable power washer can provide 2 large capacity batteries of 3000 mAh, which can support the cordless power washer keep working for 2 hours. Compared to traditional ones, this cordless power cleaner will give you longer working hours. This pressure washer is equipped with 180 degrees adjustable nozzle. Please feel free to adjust one mode by turn around the nozzle to meet your needs. In addition, you'll also get 16.4 feet of hose, filter, foaming container, and bottle connections. Tegatok battery pressure washer kit can help you clean car, garden, floor, window, and pool grime. Don't need to buy additional accessories. It weighs only 3 pounds and has lightweight and compact design. The user-friendly design makes it easy for you to work with it. We have equipped you with an exquisite box. It will be more convenient to take it with you when you go camping. You can draw water from any source for gentle or heavy-duty cleaning on the go, even by the river and lake. A practical and portable powerful cleaning tool for prosperous life. This electric pressure washer is easy to assemble, just charge the battery and connect it to the water source. Handheld pressure washer is designed with an easy-to-use pull trigger, and we equip it with a safety lock. You can press the red button when it's working, and then you don't have to keep pressing the trigger and it will continue to work. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, important. Don't forget to press subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.